which means you're moving ahead by a point, Dawson Creek. Now go! Just go! Alright, there's 6 silver eagles. They're going to push around the big bug logs. They're going to run back. They're going to swing the little log at the spar pole. Whoever hits that spar pole first is going to win. Who's it going to be, folks? It looks like Spruce Mill has quite a lead here. And Spruce Mill getting some good momentum on that log. Dawson Creek hitting the side of that mill pond. And Spruce Mill going right past the spar pole. Spruce Mill winning that one. Very nice. Hey, Dawson, they could fall into the cold Alaskan water and get hypothermia or get crushed between the logs that they were towing, and we don't like that. So the point is to stay on top of the logs today. They're going to run across them 2 times, and whoever remains dry the longest wins. Pretty simple, right? Dawson Creek, you winning this one? Or is it going to be you, Spruce Mill? All right, let's get running, fellas. Chance up. All right, that is one successful pass from Chance. Now, Victory is up for Dawson Creek. On to that second pass. See what they can do. And Chance making it on that second pass. No, we did it. Okay, very nice. That is 2 passes for each of them, which means now it's time to move on to our sudden death round. So in our sudden death round, we're gonna. What are you doing? Stop! 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 Stop it! Stop! That is not what I meant. Okay, first of all, where'd you get a golf club? To all of you, another big lumberjack.